Yeah, guys, I'm going to introduce the Treg ratios for you. I'm going to introduce Treg ratios, right? As you all know, in a right angle triangle, we'll be having three sides, right? As I have chosen a right angle triangle, here in the figure, I have taken triangle ABC, and it is right angled at B. It is right angled at B. Obviously, in a right angle triangle, one side is fixed. Always one side is fixed. What is that one? Is nothing but hypotenuse. Now, the side opposite to 290 degrees, we call it as hypotenuse. So, in the figure, the side AC is nothing but the hypotenuse. Yes, we have taken a right angle triangle and we have taken a fixed side, that is nothing but hypotenuse. Now, we are having two more sides, adjacent and opposite. Right. Which one is adjacent and which one is opposite? As I said you, hypotenuse is always fixed. But adjacent and opposite keeps on changing. Basing upon from where did you ask? Right. If you ask from A, adjacent will be different, opposite will be different. If you ask from C, adjacent will be different, opposite will be different. For time being, I like to start the sum from A. And I want to take that angle as theta. Right, I want to fix from there. As I am deriving the formulas, I don't want to go for C. I want to go for A, and I want to do the entire sum from A only. There, I have taken the angle theta. Consider, right, angle A is equal to some unknown angle, right? In mathematics, when we doesn't know the angle, we take it as theta, right? Now, what is adjacent and what is opposite? Okay, now let us go for adjacent of theta, right? So that theta is at A, right? So let us take from A. So which side is adjacent to A? And which side is starting from A? Right? Except hypotenuse, which is the side starting from A? Right? We are starting at A and we are moving this side. So which is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side from theta. Now I like to call that side as adjacent side. Now opposite of theta, opposite side of theta, right? So just now I said you opposite means the side which does not touch the theta, right? Theta won't be starting there. So the side opposite to theta means where is theta? Theta is at A, right? A should not be there. Opposite means which side, Nana? BC. Please remember, theta is at A, right? Opposite means A should not be there. So which is the other side? Which is the side now? BC. Okay. Now in that triangle, we got what is the meaning of hypotenuse, we got what is the meaning of adjacent, and we got what is the meaning of opposite. Now let's derive the trigonometric ratio. Well, let's derive the trigonometric ratio. Okay, Nana, we are having three sides. We are having three sides: opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Okay, Nana. So now let's go like this. So let us take the relation between the three sides. Right. If, right, opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Right. If you consider the relation between opposite side of theta divided by hypotenuse, ante paina opposite side of theta pettukoni kinda denominator lo hypotenuse pettukunte aaliddar madhyalo unna relation ni emantamu trigonometry lo. Right. So which is the opposite side of theta? AB is the opposite side of theta. Right. Now hypotenuse. Right. So hypotenuse lo evarunnaru. What is the hypotenuse? Which is nothing but the BC. Okay, Nana. So we call the relation between opposite side of theta by hypotenuse, we call the relation as sin theta. You have to remember, I said you hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. ये मूडिट मध्य relation in तीनों के बीच में क्या relation है? Right. As if like in human relation, mom and son. Suppose there are three family members right? So there are three family members, right? Dad, mom, and the son, right? What is the relation between these three? If I take only the mom and the son, I like to say mother and son. If I take dad and son, right? Nana ki koduku ki majlo, right? We call it as dad and son relation. Then what is the relation between that mom and dad? Husband and wife. So there are the names of the relations here. Are you able to understand, Nana? Sir, right. Right. So here, opposite side of theta, here, sorry, Nana. Right. I think here I messed it up. Let me change that one. Thank you. Right. So opposite side of theta is nothing but BC, and hypotenuse, we call it as AC. Right? The relation between opposite side of theta and hypotenuse, we call it as sine theta. That is the first relation. Now, the second relation, right? Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. This is the second relation what we have, right? Earlier what we have taken, Nana? Earlier, what is the first relation మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాము? We have taken the relation between like this. We went on the relation. First relation is like this. Opposite by hypotenuse, we called it as sine, right? We called it as sine when we are talking from opposite to hypotenuse. Now, the second relation what we are talking is nothing but, so what we said, adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. This is the second relation what we are taking. Right, opposite adjacent side of theta. So which is adjacent side of theta? AB, and hypotenuse is obviously AC. Are you able to understand? What is the second relation? We call it as cosine. Cosine theta. Right? We call it as cosine theta. This is the second relation what we are having. First one we are calling it as sine theta. Second one we are calling it as cosine, co-function, ante side by function. That is the second one. Now let us go for the third relation. What is the third relation what we are having? We go like this. Adjacent, or we go like this. Just give me a minute. All right. Opposite of theta, opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Adjacent side of theta. So if you check it out, which is the opposite side of theta? It's nothing but BC. And which is adjacent? Theta ki pakkanunna side evaru? AB. Okay, Nana, this is the third relation. Now we have to call it as tangent theta. What is the relation? Tangent theta. The relation, వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో ఉన్న రిలేషన్ పేరు టాంజెంట్ థీటా. అంటే ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ని పైన పెట్టి కింద అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ పెడితే వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో ఉన్న రిలేషన్ పేరు టాంజెంట్ థీటా. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్ us go for the fourth relation. రివర్స్. ఇప్పుడు రివర్స్, అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ ని పైన పెట్టి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ని కింద పెడితే దట్ ఈస్ అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థీటా బై opposite side of theta. ఇలా ఉంటే అంటే రైట్, అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థీటా ఎవరు? ఏబి. రైట్, ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థీటా ఎవరు? బీసీ. అయితే అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ ని పైన పెట్టి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ని కింద పెడితే, ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్, ఇక్కడ అసలు మనం హైపోటెన్యూస్ గురించి మాట్లాడట్లేదు. వి డోంట్ హ్యావ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ హియర్. రైట్, దాన్ని మనము cotangent theta అంటాము. cotangent theta we call it as. Right. BA by BC. Very good. Cotangent theta. How many relations we have? 4. Till now we have discussed 4. Let us discuss about the fifth relation. Okay, Nana. Now hypotenuse by adjacent of theta. ఇది రిలేషన్ పట్టుకున్నాం మనం. హైపోటెన్యూస్ ని పైన పెట్టి రైట్ adjacent సైడ్ ఆఫ్ theta ని కింద పెడితే హైపోటెన్యూస్, విచ్ ఈస్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ హియర్? 90 degrees కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎవరున్నారు చూడండి నాన్న? ఏసీ. బై adjacent సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థీటా కి adjacent అంటే ఎక్కడన్నా? బిసైడ్, టచింగ్. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏబి. right? That we call it as secant theta, secant theta. Are you able to understand, Nana? Now the last relation what we have, hypotenuse by opposite side of theta, opposite of theta. ఇలా ఉంటే హైపోటెన్యూస్ ని పైన పెట్టి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ థీటాని కింద పెడితే రైట్ దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాము హైపోటెన్యూస్ విచ్ ఇస్ ది హైపోటెన్యూస్ హియర్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఈస్ ఏసీ బై ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ థీటా ఆపోజిట్ లో ఎవరు ఉన్నారు నాన్న ఇట్స్ బీసీ వి కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ కొసీకెంట్ థీటా. So please remember how many relations we have? 6 relations. Sin theta, cosine theta. Adi as if it is nothing but one pair. Tangent theta, cotangent theta. Cotangent. Right, fifth one. Secant theta, cosecant theta. See, as if you check it out, it is similar like two sets. Right, first two, one pair. First two, one pair, set one. Second two, other pair. Right, next fifth and sixth, third set. You have to remember like this. Aithe, if you check it out, the names are looking big. Sin theta, cosine theta. Tangent theta, cotangent theta. Secant theta, cosecant theta. The names are looking very big. So let us do one thing. Let us take only the first 3 letters. So let us call the first one as sin theta. Just to make it easy, we are taking only the first 3 letters. See, here also let us take the first 3 letters. If you take the first 3 letters, it is becoming cos theta. Right, now let us take the first 3 letters here. What we are having? Tan theta. Okay, now if you take the first 3 letters here, it will become cot theta. Right, if you take the first 3 letters here, we call it as secant theta. Now, if you take the first 3 letters, what does it become? It will become COS, right? But COS already we have written here. Therefore, we are not taking the first 3 letters. We are taking the first 6 letters, not 3. We are taking the 6 letters. What do you call that one? Cosec theta. Okay, Nana. So we are having 6 trigonometry. Of course, we are having only 3 sides: opposite side, adjacent side, and adjacent side. Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. What is the relation between 3 of them? Okay, Nana. Wala madhyalone relation. Okay, Nana. Set 1 ante total ఇప్పుడు 6 ratios వచ్చాయి. Sin cos ఒక సెట్, tan cot second set, secant cosecant that is nothing but the third set. Totally 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, now let us see here. Sin, what we are writing, right? Opposite by hypotenuse. We are writing that. Next, cos, what we are writing? Adjacent by hypotenuse. This just now we discussed. We like to call it as set 1. If you check it out, in these 2, hypotenuse is present. And it's in denominator. It's in denominator. Hypotenuse అన్నది ఉంది ఎక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ సెట్ లో సైన్ కాస్ లో హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? డినామినేటర్ లో ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ లెట్ us go for second set. What is the second set we discussed? Tan theta and cot theta. Just now tan theta means what we have taken? Opposite by adjacent, and cot theta ఏంటన్నా? Adjacent by opposite. Now please remember, do you have hypotenuse in this one? Hypotenuse అనేది లేదు. You have to remember this one as a logical thing. Right, now let's go for the set 3. What is that one? Sec theta and cosec theta. Right, if you check it out, sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent, and cosec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. If you check it out here, hypotenuse is present, but it's in numerator. It's in numerator. You have to check it out. You have to remember. So totally how many trig ratios? 6. The relation between opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. First set to 1, sine and cos, right? Hypotenuse is there, but it is in the denominator. Set to 2, tan and cot. Hypotenuse is not there. Set to 3, sec and cosec. Hypotenuse is there, but it is in the numerator. That is the first logic. You have to remember this as logic. Logic 1. Okay, Nana. I am ready to give logic 2 also. Logic 2 also. Right. What is that one? Always opposite side comes first. Okay, Nana. If you see here, sine, paina opposite undi, kinda hypotenuse undi. First opposite వచ్చింది చూసుకోండి నాన్న. కాజ్ లో ఆపోజిట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి? adjacent. ఫస్ట్ ఆపోజిట్ తర్వాత adjacent. సో sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, Nana. Set to 2, hypotenuse asalu undadu. We don't want hypotenuse in that one. Are you able to? Then what will be there? As I said, opposite side comes first. Opposite by adjacent. Now the second one, cot, right? As opposite top lo ayipoyindi kabatti reverse it one. Adjacent by opposite. That is the second logic. But this logic does not work in the secant. Why? Because you will let to know in the next phase. If you go for secant, hypotenuse will be there, but it is in the numerator. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Then ichina second logic work on avvadu. Only set to 1, set to 2 lone work on avutundi. Opposite will be first and adjacent will be second. That works on in the set 1 and set 2 only. Here that is reverse. Entadi adjacent will be first, opposite will be second. If you check it out, secant means hypotenuse by opposite. Cosecant means hypotenuse by secant means hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite. So in this way, you are supposed to remember all the 6 trigonometric ratios.